What's up, family? How you guys doing today? I'm here with Milky Tech, and today we're going to do a top 5 gift guide for your tech lover for this Black Friday. And we have a bonus gift at the end of the video, so stay tuned for that. And so let's get this done. Now, before we continue, guys, if you guys enjoy this kind of content, subscribe. So now let's look at this first deal. Alright, so the first deal we want to look at is the LG 55-inch NanoCell 4K TV. It's an awesome deal for under $500. It's 4K, it's NanoCell, it's HDR10 compliant, which means in a brightly lit room, the TV will still be bright enough and the colors will be vibrant. And I think that for the price, this is a great TV. Now, the next gift idea is a laptop. And this laptop is great for anyone, not just your gamers or your tech enthusiasts. For under $800, you're getting a fast hex-core processor, you're getting a fast graphic card with a GTX 1650 Ti, you're getting only 8 gigs of RAM, but that's something that could be easily upgraded, and you have a ½ terabyte of NVMe storage. Plenty of space, plenty of speeds. This laptop, I could imagine lasting a while, and for under $800, I think it's a steal. And our next gift idea, with COVID and all of us being stuck at home, a nice smartwatch is a great idea. The Fitbit Charge 4, it has 7 days of battery life. It's under $100. It tracks everything and will keep you healthy, hopefully, during this tough time. And it'll help you work off all those extra quarantine pounds that we all got this year. For this price, I think it's a phenomenal deal. Not only do we want to take care of ourselves, we want to take care of our home. And with the Ring Doorbell Pro, Amazon is having a great deal right now. You buy the Pro, it's only $170. Not only that, it's cheaper than what it normally is, you also get the Echo Show 5 for free. That is phenomenal. For $170, you get all of that. That is a great deal. You will keep your outside secure. If somebody comes, you know who it is. Now, a little disclaimer, guys. You will have to get a subscription service with it in order to use their cloud service. Now, it's not that much. I think it's about $3 or $5 a month. But with that subscription service, it allows you to save all of the footage that you get from the doorbell. I personally have a Ring doorbell. And the other day, we proved the innocence of a person because we had the footage of the accident that happened. The story time. So, a car flew off the road and rammed into a tree that's right in front of my house. Thankfully, the tree was there, or the car would have been a part of my house. Now, long story short, the driver ran away. The cops were going to arrest the passenger, but he was not the culprit for it. So, because of the footage, we proved his innocence, and the cops let him go. He came out of the passenger's side, and because of the footage, we proved his innocence. Alright, the next gift is some nice earbuds. The Galaxy Buds True Wireless. Now, I know this is the first generation, but for $80, you're getting 11 hours of battery life per charge, and with the case, that's 22 hours of battery life. It is tuned by AKG, so you know you're going to get the great audio quality. And for $80, for $79, it's a great deal. Now, these are the black ones, so if you want the Galaxy color shimmering one, it's 99 cents more. So there's color options. And lastly, our bonus gift, the PNY XLR8 CS3030 1TB NVMe drive. For $125, you get a terabyte of space. You're getting speeds of over 3,000 megabytes read and write. It is phenomenal. Other NVMe drives are going for $10, $20, $15 more for similar specs. This is a great deal. All links for everything will be down below in the description. And this is the top 6 gifts that I think is the best bang for buck this Black Friday. If you guys would like to see me do a under 20 deal, let me know in the description below. If you guys enjoyed this content, smash that like button. Hit subscribe. Ring that bell so you know when I release my next video. If you guys have comments, suggestions, or want to say hello, leave it in the comments below. And I will see you guys next time. Peace.